Okay class, today we're going to learn where does milk come from.
Excuse me, Mr. Hernandez, may I please go to the bathroom?
Sure, but make it quick, it's very important.
You know what? I'm not going to the bathroom, I'm going to sneak out of school.
Stop right there, Swooping Bird Ginny Weasley.
Oh. It's Callum.
That's right, and Swooping Bird Ginny Weasley, how dare you sneak out of school? You know you can get in trouble if you skip school. That's it, I'm taking you to the office.
No.
Hi Callum. What brings you here with Swooping Bird Ginny Weasley? The reason why I brought Swooping Bird Ginny Weasley there is because she was sneaking out of school. What? Oh my god, thanks for telling me that, Callum. You can go to the class now. Alright, Mr. Samir. Swooping Bird Ginny Weasley, how dare you sneak out of school? You know you need to stay at school until home, but you only home early if you're not feeling well. That's it, go home right now while I call your normal clone about this.
No. My swooping bird clone, how dare you sneak out of school? You know you could get in trouble for skipping school. That's it. You are grounded for a month. Go to your room right now. Wow.